Alright, so welcome back again to my video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to create a good campaign like this one. So as you can see, the last campaign that I made in the last 7 days, as you can see, we have got almost 138 message conversations, and we have reached around 6,405 people, and this was the WhatsApp campaign. This was the WhatsApp campaign. We were just getting message conversation on the WhatsApp. So for now, I'm just going to show you how to create this one, but using Instagram message conversation, and later on I'll also show you the result. So let's click on the create campaign and choose the engagement object and click continue. So the next step, we are just going to choose the manual campaign setup and click continue. So on the campaign name, I'm just going to choose 3rd November, 11 November 2024 campaign. Okay, you can just name your campaign as you want, and then scroll down, and here we're just going to choose the campaign budget. So for this ad, I'm just going to 40, so that's the 40 shekels, and then click on the next step. And here you can also rename your ad set as the same. So after renaming your ad set, then here you just have to choose message apps. On the conversation, you just have to choose the message apps, and then if you need to use your Facebook page, so here I'm just going to remove the Messenger, and I'm just going to also remove the WhatsApp, and then I'm going to leave with the Instagram on. You can just choose any app that you want to get message conversation with. So if you want WhatsApp or Messenger, so I'm just going to choose the Instagram, and then just maximize the number of conversation. Yeah, that's okay, that's good. And here you just have to schedule your end date, and let me just schedule it, for example, for 7 days. Or let's end this at on the 9th of maybe, let's say, Sunday. Okay, for the next Sunday. So, and then what's next? Location, audience controls. I will just name as I'm just targeting only one country, and then advantage audience. So I'm just going to choose to original audience, use original audience, and I'm just going to change the age maybe from 21 up to 55. Yeah, and then that's everything. And then we'll just change the placement as well for the manual placement, and for only Instagram, I don't want feed, just want to target Instagram stories and reels. Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Instagram profile reels. No, we don't need that. We only need the Instagram stories and Instagram reels. So that's what we only need. So yeah, that's okay. Then let's click next. And for the ad now, you can also rename the same. Just name the same, and then ad setup, I'm just going to use an existing post, and then just choose an Instagram post. So I'm just going to choose this Instagram pause for now, and we continue. Wait for it to be uploaded with, and then you can just view ad. Alright, so this is our video that we are just going to promote. A simple video with just a text in it, and you're just going to get an Instagram message. So then let's click publish, and then I will show you the result of this ad we have created. So alright, so this is an update of the advertisement we have created on the 3rd of November, and as you can see, on the 6th of November we have already got 65 message conversations. So this is going well, and as you can see, we have reached almost 4,302 people. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, remember to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss up with any update. So let's meet in the next video, and thanks for watching.